There is a wealth of information available, especially online, providing insights to South African businesses to help them take the right steps as they try to navigate through COVID and the recession. But what are some of the common mistakes your business should try not to make during this time? Perhaps the worst one is doing nothing at all. Lack of clear communication to staff and employees is also a key pitfall. Please also remember that what lies ahead is not a sprint, but a marathon. Your business needs to be fit enough to endure the journey. So, protect cash flow, look after your clients, and try to keep a motivated workforce. Finally, if possible, don't get stuck in pure survival mode. Try to have a growth game plan that will also help relaunch your business once conditions improve.